Good morning, dear children. Today I'll teach you lesson 6 of MF. The name of the lesson is The Fox Who Got Caught in the Tree Trunk. Okay, so in this lesson, children, you will get to know a story about a fox. Okay, so pay attention and listen carefully as I'll start telling you the story now. Okay, so children, there was a hungry fox. The fox was very hungry and he looked for food everywhere in the forest, but he could not find food anywhere. He tried and tried. He looked very hard for the food, but he was not able to find food anywhere. So he was searching and searching. While searching, he reached the edge of the forest. It means the boundary of the forest. There he saw a tree with a hole in it. Okay, so the fox looked inside the hole. There was a bag kept in that hole. So the fox got very excited and he thought there might be something in this bag to eat. So the fox jumped into the hole and he opened the bag. When he opened the bag, there was food in it. Okay, so the fox got very happy. There was bread, meat and fruits in the bag. Okay, so the fox was very happy to find food. Whose food was that? Do you know? The food was of an old woodcutter who had kept the bag in the hole before going to the forest to cut trees. Okay, and that food was for himself and for his family. That food was the lunch for himself and his family of the old woodcutter and his family. So now the fox ate that food and his stomach was finally full. After eating food, the fox was thirsty. He felt thirsty. So now he thought that I should jump out of the hole and I should go and drink water from a nearby spring. What is the meaning of spring, children? Spring is a place from where groundwater flows out. Okay, so the fox thought that I can go and drink water from a nearby spring. Now, the fox tried to come out of the hole. He tried to jump out of the hole, but he couldn't jump out. You know why? Can you think of it? Why he was not able to come out of the hole? Think. I'll tell you why. He was not able to jump out of the hole, children, because he had eaten too much and he had become too big and he got stuck in the hole. So he was not able to jump out of the hole. It means he was not able to come out of the hole now. Okay. Now the fox got very scared and sad and he thought that I should have thought before jumping into this hole. Now the fox was in trouble because he did things without thinking. So children, here the story ends. Can you tell me what lesson do you learn from this story? Can anyone think of it? What lesson do we learn from this story? What the fox thought in the end? The fox thought that I should have thought a little before jumping in the hole. It means that we all should think before doing anything. We should all think wisely before acting. This is the lesson that we learn from this story. We should listen to our elders. We should listen to our parents. We should take their advice before doing anything. We should think wisely and then we should act. This is the moral of the story. Okay, I hope you have understood the story nicely, children. This is all for today. Thank you.